Good morning. Yes, I'm gonna trim today. Get a little cleaned up. It's Sunday. Anybody that go to church on Sunday. But I gotta go to work, boys. Let's see that. That's how we do it, boys. Just like that. When you're pretty, easy. Man, my leg's getting better. My leg is done. Finally. One small step for mankind. The boots. Oh yeah, got a cake, got a free car wash. ¿Qué más quieres, viejo? Hey, who else likes it when God gives you a free car wash? That's $20 save, papa. Check it out. Beep, beep. Car wash, man. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for another day. Thank you for my family. Let's get it. El que madruga, Dios le ayuda, dicen. Vámonos, recio. Ay, cabrón, casi era. Check it out. Check out my neighbor. Look at how they are sometimes, pa. Let me show you real quick. You see that? I can't even get out, pa. Like, how? How? Forward? Beep. Backwards? Beep. Sepa. Alright, guys, drive safe. Okay? Don't do what I'm doing. We decided to take the freeway today. One thing about LA after it rains is it looks fucking gorgeous. Look how beautiful that looks. LA, baby. I've been making money in LA all my life. Just grinding, hustling here, just everything. I've done it all here in LA. All of it. Thank you, LA. The city of angels. Truly is. It truly is. Yesterday, one of the guards told me that he's seen one of these guys tagging up our walls. Look at. Please don't do that to our walls.